No, no. Basically what I want to understand is the uh, LOI.
Oh, innovation, right?
Yeah, LOI. How do you actually go to LOIs?
You want me to look up CPC from here?
No, yeah. There was actually LOIs that you can actually pick up from. Yeah, I have the comprehensive care. Okay, instructions. Okay. See, I am actually looking at the. Let me just send you the. Okay, so it's important that we look at what is something that is coming in from the system that we are subscribing to. Okay.
Okay.
Did you get the link that I sent?
You sent it through oh, I
The
see it right there. Yep. All right, so this is our LOI. What are we using this one? Is this like kind of our dummy data?
Yeah, in the sense like, see, this is what is coming in from the other system as a read-only field, right? Question 1, provide the name of your organization. Okay. Is provide doing business as name if you'll be operating under ESU, under a name other than your organization's formal legal name. The two things we have captured.
Okay.
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 Provide the name and contact information for the person who CMI should contact with any questions or comments about your LOI. So which means that contact information is the next read-only fields that we will have there.
Okay, and so is this data coming from their letter of intent?
Yes.
And just for giggles, I'm just going to have that link there here because I've got a feeling that this is going to be, well, this is new to me. Maybe it's old hat to everyone else. Uh, okay. So the next one from this one, I can just start putting in this one, organization contact information.
Yes, we'll organization contact information, and then let's fill. While you work on that, let me just try to actually go back and look at some other thing also. Okay.
Okay, and I'm going to take a leap and guess that it's probably going to, this can't be too different than our other concept of contact info.
Yes.
So let me
Yes.
just, let's just steal what we've had before. So we have a couple concepts. We have contact information. Would we have a contact person, you think?
Yeah, that's a contact information. It's a person's information.
Would that be the business owner?
It will not be the business owner.
Okay.
See, this is actually from the awardee side. So this is actually the awardee representative
Awardee representative.
or awardee delegate, whatever you can actually say. You can actually put it as awardee delegate / representative or something like that. Yeah.
All right. So you would have that awardee delegate representative name.
Mm-hmm.
You would have their phone and email as well as their mailing address.
Yeah, mailing address, contact information, phone, all those kind of things, fax, and then everything.
Cool, and we can just and we can just populate this with persona information that exists if we want. Do we have any, we have no concept of this type of person yet, so this is a new type of persona we're going to call an awardee delegate representative.
Okay, so hold on. Do you want to actually see what does the fields that are captured?
Sure.
I just actually shared one more link.
Okay. Oh, and 1 second. Let me. I'm just gonna attach this persona. I just threw together real quickly for our for the purpose of demo, and then we can go back and cast.
Actually, we should just put it as, I'm thinking instead of representative or something like that, maybe just put it as, because they have in the LOI, they actually call it by different names. It's called primary contact. Primary contact.
Primary contact?
Yes. No, I have actually sent, when you open that link, you will see what information is being captured.
Okay.
So we talked about organization name and doing business as, if applicable.
This is what we want to have.
Okay.
Is this what should be modeled in here? We should be showing all this stuff, so we have last, first.
So look at that. So if they gave doing business as name, then that would have been populated. Otherwise, organization name mandatorily it'll have a read-only field there. Applicant primary contact. Okay. So which means that this is actually the organization's contact person that is there. First name, last name.
In the primary, for the purpose of like kind of harmonizing this one with the vocabulary of the business analyst, would they refer to the ESCO primary contract as analogous?
No, this is a model's name that is ESCO and all. You would just put it as organization contact contact person, right?
But from the Word documents, Word requirements, if you take a look at this, which one of these actors does this guy most resemble? Or is this a new actor?
So at this point, this is actually contact information. Okay?
But I guess what I'm asking is like if you know.
No, there's a difference between, see, this is just a contact. The other thing is somebody called a designated awardee delegate, which means that, see, I can be the president of the company, but doesn't mean that I am the one doing every typing and uploading of the document, right?
Yes, you're kind of the interface. I guess in terms of, and they're going to call these users or whatever, but is this person one of these guys, or is this a new person that doesn't exist?
It is not. That's what I'm trying to make a distinction. So if it is a user, I will actually mention that. So this is just contact information, contact person.
Okay, and they're not. Their existence is not captured in a requirements document at this point.
It is not.
All right, so we wouldn't want to use like a name from the. I see.
Yeah,
So it's organization primary contact.
Yeah, this is organization primary contact. Yeah.
But this, the concept of this person exists from Salesforce.
Yes, that's the data that they capture there, right?
All right.
We'll come to that whether it will finally turn out to be the roles that we are looking at. But I'm actually trying to get it from this level and then tie it back into our system.
Okay. So there's a concept of a organization primary contact person. They have a phone number. They have a.
Okay, so let me read out what they have. See whether everything's actually covered or not. They have a first name. They have a last name.
They have a title.
They have a position / title, which we don't have right now, right?
We do not have that. Well, so let's go. So they should have contact
position.
names. So they should have a. Oops, this should be wrapped here.
See, I'm not looking at your screen, but basically I know that position / title is not there.
Okay, let me make sure that's in there. So the organization contact name, they have a. They have a first name. So they have a title.
Uh-huh.
They have a first. They have a middle. They have a last. And do they have a credential, or just title first,
No,
middle, last?
They have a phone name. They have. Okay, hold on. Get back. They have a phone extension, email, which is required.
Okay. Do you think at this point we want to, indicate phone and extension, or could we just assume that concept's there?
No, you just put in.
Put in an
What will
extension
happen
number
is,
too.
I'm sure that people will start looking at the screen. Just put in,
Okay.
phone's fine. Okay, phone's fine.
Okay. Now I'm gonna just.
Okay, so the next comes the address fields, primary contact address.
All right, and so we have address 1, address 2, city, state, zip.
Okay. Okay.
Oops,
And then,
that one should be middle. Middle, and this one is last. They have an email. And they have an address 1. They have an address 2. They have a city, a state, and they have a zip. Let's go put those in. City, state, zip. There you go. City.
okay. Once you're done, let me know.
All right. Let me just test this one out, make sure I got it all. Okay, so All right, so we have Marilyn, middle name, Fairy, G, godmother. All right, let's see how this one works. So we have the data here. We have a contact person. It's Miss Fairy G, godmother.
I see. No, hold on. Put in names that because I'm actually going to be demoing it.
Okay, so what do you want to put for the name?
No, in the sense like put in
First?
some name, but don't make it too weird sort of thing. I don't want people to focus on that and then feel offended by it.
Okay, I was just trying to G.
Because people like
person.
Leslie and all can get very.
Okay, so we'll make your Mrs. Some G person.
Just put like just like John Smith or something like that, and then keep it a common name, but don't put it as anything really funny sort of thing. Yeah.
All right, so we have the contact information will be some, oh, we got it backwards, some Mrs. Person. It'll be some person. This is the first name. And this is the title. So organization contact information, it's Mrs. Some G Person, phone number, kind of some random stuff right there. Let me get rid of that spaghetti. Collapse.
Door adichava na? Door adichava. Pedake. No jumping. Tade.
All right, Thomas, I'm ready whenever you are.
Okay, all right. So the other thing that I actually see that they have, and I just think keep it as a section of information under this, is to actually say market area location.
Within, this is read only as well?
Yeah, so let me just show you. Yeah, it will also, so just like organization contact information, yeah. Market area location, yeah, that's fine.
Oh, same concept though? It's like another one of these?
No, it's basically, okay, hold on, let me just show you the screen. So
okay. You want me to make you presenter or just open up that link again?
Hold on, let me share not my webcam.
All right, let me see. I'll just make you presenter here.
See this?
Market area location. Okay, hold on one moment. So is that read only? Should that be read only, you think?
Yeah, yes, because basically they would have said where they are actually serving, right?
Okay.
That in which state, which county, and which zip code are they serving?
Okay. Hold on one moment. Let me market area location.
But you get the concept, right? It's just totally these three.
Yes. Can you stay on that screen for one moment? I just want to copy that concept without having to remember it. All right, so we'll see state, county, zip. The state, county, zip?
Yeah.
Yeah, state.
Okay, shall I go back?
Yep, I'm good. So there'll be a market area. I'll switch back to my screen.
Yeah. Okay, then. Okay, so I'm wondering how exactly we can ask them to verify now, right? So we have, she's here, organization name, doing business as, market location, tax identification number, organization, contact info, and then, so this is assuming that they logged into the system. And then
Oh, lost your audio there, Thomas.
hey Tony.
Hey, lost your audio there for a moment.
Sorry. No. So we have this information now. What we are supposed. Okay. Do you want to actually carry information, name, proposed address? Okay, so beyond this, getting hold of participant information, can we move to the next screen? We'll come back to the screen that we have created, but I actually just want to show.
Okay.
Yeah.
We don't really have anything for her, or for for Miss Fairy Godmother, or no, Mrs. Somebody to do. So she's not doing anything to identify herself.
No, we will come back to it. I'm actually trying to see what exactly she would have to need.
Okay. So we'll just leave this as an example, saying like, all right, we know it's going to be something, but we have this as an example for right now.
Yeah, we will come back to it. Yeah, we'll come back to it. The next information, assuming that she's actually confirmed things out here, right? Okay.
Okay. Data to be. All right. Let me just get this guy wrapped up.
We have the 1 o'clock meeting coming up, right?
Yes.
Do you want to continue after the 1 o'clock meeting?
Yes, that would be good. Yeah, because I'm going to have to end this anyways because they're going to use this for the 1 o'clock meeting. So that sounds good. We'll pick it up after the 1 o'clock.
Okay, so let's do that then.
All right, sounds good. All right, bye.
All right, bye.